Hey guys, you've probably heard by now that Chinese electric and hybrid vehicles will soon be available in Canada, and that time has already come. BYD is opening its first showroom so everyone can see and touch the brand's vehicles in person. So far, 4 showroom locations have been announced: Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, and Calgary. Specifics about the vehicles planned for display there are not yet available. We only have information about the body styles: a sedan, wagon, midsize, and large crossover, and a pickup truck. So, there will be plenty to see. A week ago, news broke that BYD plans to open 20 dealerships this year. That's a lot for a new brand in the country. The regions where the dealerships will open are also already known: Ontario, British Columbia, Quebec, and Alberta. Let us know in the comments if you live in these areas. Selling a car is one thing, but providing it with the necessary parts and service is quite another. It's also worth considering the limited number of cars available for sale in the country. So if demand is high, there could be long lines and long waits for your car. Let's hope BYD takes all this into account and that buyers will have only positive experiences from their first year in Canada. As is tradition on the channel, we'll tell you about one of the brand's vehicles. The BYD Atto 3 Evo is an electric vehicle that will definitely be among the first shipments to Canada. This crossover has already proven itself on European roads. Before its release, we personally confirmed this by reading reviews from German, French, Spanish, and Polish owners. The car receives very positive reviews and is very satisfied with its operation. Now, let's move on to specifics: specifications, versions, interior and exterior. And we'll specifically look at operating the crossover in northern regions. The BYD Atto 3 is a compact electric crossover that combines modern design with a practical architecture. Under the hood, an electric motor producing approximately 200 horsepower provides confident performance in the city and on the highway. Acceleration is smooth, without jerks, as you'd expect from an electric car, and the handling is light and predictable. The real-world range can reach approximately 420 kilometers, which is more than sufficient for everyday use in Canada, especially in cities like Toronto or Vancouver. And thanks to fast charging, the car can be quickly recharged. These are no longer electric cars that need to be left overnight. Now comes the crucial point: winter. It's the true test for any car in Canada. And here, the BYD Atto 3 performs remarkably well. Firstly, it uses a modern battery with an advanced thermal management system, which maintains efficiency even in low temperatures. Secondly, there are heated seats and steering wheel, and a quick interior warm-up feature. Yes, the range will decrease in winter, as with any EV, but it's not critical. And this has already been confirmed by European operating experience. If we delve a little deeper into the BYD Atto 3's exterior and interior, it becomes clear why this crossover has so quickly gained popularity in Europe and is generating interest in Canada. Let's start with the exterior. The Atto 3's design isn't about aggression or classic SUV style, but rather modernity and versatility. The car looks neat, balanced, and somewhat global without any obvious ties to the Chinese market, which is important for North American buyers. The front end is in BYD's signature-style narrow LED headlights, a neat false grille, and clean lines. All this creates a sense of technologically advanced, yet uncluttered design. The side view features smooth lines, a slightly raised window line, and adequate ground clearance, which is just right for Canadian conditions: curbs, snow, and country roads. It's not an SUV, but it's not a low-slung urban EV either. At the rear, there's a unified LED strip of taillights, which is currently trending, and it looks truly modern, especially at night. Now the most interesting part: the interior. And here, the BYD Atto 3 truly stands out from the competition. The cabin isn't just modern, but features elements of an unconventional design approach. The central element is the large rotating multimedia screen, which can be used both horizontally and vertically. This isn't just a feature for the sake of it, but a truly convenient feature, especially if you're using navigation or multimedia. The materials are soft and pleasant to the touch, a combination of leather and high-quality plastic. Top-of-the-line trims add decorative inserts that create an almost premium feel. At the same time, the interior doesn't feel cluttered. Everything is quite minimalist and logically laid out. The seats deserve special mention. They are comfortable, offer good lateral support, and, important for Canada, are heated. The high seating position and good visibility are what Canadian drivers love, especially in winter and poor visibility. An interesting detail is the design of the doors and controls. Here, the designers took an unconventional approach. Round handles, unusual lines, even elements reminiscent of strings. Some find it fresh and original, others unusual, but certainly not boring. Practicality is also high. Plenty of room in both the front and rear, a flat floor, and a decent trunk for everyday tasks like trips out of town, to the store, or to work. It's not a huge SUV, but it's more than enough for a family of 3 to 4. Now let's talk about price, because this is probably the main question for most Canadians. Based on European markets and BYD's current strategy, the BYD Atto 3 could launch in Canada for around $40,000, $50,000 CAD. And here's where things get interesting. At this price, it will compete with models like the Tesla Model 3 or Hyundai Kona Electric, but it could also offer more features as standard. And that's precisely why there's so much talk about these cars right now. Because they're no longer just another Chinese car, but a real competitor to established brands that could change the market. And now the main question for you: if a crossover like the BYD Atto 3 were to appear in Canada at a lower price than its competitors, but with good features, would you consider it over your established brands? Be sure to let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and discuss this together. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you found this interesting, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And of course, subscribe. There will be many more reviews of Chinese cars, electric vehicles, and new models that may soon appear in Canada.